If there's one thing I've loved from my childhood till now, is the Transformers, and my favorite Autobot being Bumblebee. And combining my love for tech and Transformers is a dream come true. This is the Tecno Spark 30, one of Tecno's newest devices, and like you can already see, what I have is made in collaboration with the Transformers, and I have the BumbleBee edition. Seeing such a collaboration on a smartphone truly warms my heart. It comes with some pretty interesting specs aside it looking gorgeous, like a 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 sensor, an IR blaster, and a lot more. And you'll find out the rest throughout the video. I'm Desi, and this is my review of the Spark 30 from Tecno. Let's start with the unboxing. Immediately you take a look at the box, you can see the Transformers logo with the Bumblebee inscription as well as the Spark 30. The box has the design of a transformer who has transformed into a car, in this case, Bumblebee. Removing the plastic covering and sliding off the cover sleeve, you are met with this black box with the Transformers logo on it. The box opens like the doors of certain luxury vehicles, and it reveals a section showcasing the full outlook of Bumblebee. The first box you take out contains a 13-month warranty card as well as a hard transparent protective case to protect your device from drops and scratches. It has the design of the Transformers and the Bumblebee inscription as well. Next within the box is the Tecno Spark 30 itself. I'll get back to that in a minute, but for now let's keep exploring what's in the box. Lifting up the cover case, we see two sections as well, with the bottom part containing an 18-watt fast charger to charge up the 5000 mAh battery within the Spark 30. You also get a SIM ejector pin and a USB cable, as well as a wired earphone. That's everything in the box. Removing the plastic covering on the device gives you the first true look of the Tecno Spark 30, and it looks amazing. The lines parallel to the camera layout truly brings out a vision of Bumblebee as a smartphone. I can see the Autobot right here when I look at the device, plus the logo positioning and inscription is just chef's kiss. These are the kind of collaborations I live for. Enough of me geeking out. Let's power on this device. Oh whoa. It's heavily themed to match Bumblebee, from app icons to the wallpaper, and it looks really good. What do you think? Leave a comment. It however has a plastic build and is very lightweight. And in standard fashion, you're getting a power button which doubles as the fingerprint reader to the right side of the device, as well as the volume buttons. To the top houses a speaker grill with the Dolby Atmos inscription, letting you know the Tecno Spark 30 supports Dolby Atmos. To the left, you find your SIM card slot, and to the bottom, you get your headphone jack, your microphone, USB-C charging port, and another speaker grill. This phone looks beautiful. The Tecno Spark 30 is IP64 water and dust resistant, and according to Tecno, it offers 5 years of lag-free experience. Now on the front of the device houses the display. It's a 6.78 inches 1080p 90Hz display with a peak brightness of 800 nits. It's plenty bright for indoor usage, but in very harsh lighting conditions like direct sunlight, you may struggle. But in shaded outdoor situations, you'll have no issues whatsoever. Viewing content on it looks great. You can watch your favorite YouTubers like me, or your Netflix series, and the latest Transformers animated movie, and you'll truly be immersed in the viewing experience. Colors look great, a bit high on the saturation scale, but you can always dial it down right within the settings to get the perfect color profile you desire. Right on the top of the screen houses a selfie camera, which can enable the use of Face Unlock on the Tecno Spark 30. There's this cool dynamic window that pops up for things such as unlocking your device, charging, and some notifications, and I think it looks really cool. When it comes to battery life, the Tecno Spark 30 is packed with more than enough in today's day and age. It's a huge 5000 mAh battery powering this device. It should be able to easily get you through an entire day on a single charge, and you wouldn't have to carry a power bank anywhere along with you or worry about the battery depleting quickly. Battery life based on my usage has been more than good. I've usually charged it once every single day, but at some point I charged it twice or thrice because I was gaming heavily on it. It supports 18-watt fast wire charging with the included charger in the box, which will charge up your device quickly, so it's really a nice addition. For the main camera on the Tecno Spark 30, it's surprisingly good, and Tecno has definitely made improvements in the area of image processing. The Tecno Spark 30 comes with a 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 main camera sensor and a 30 megapixel selfie camera. You can record 2K up to 30 FPS for video with HDR support. I've made sure to test the camera in indoor situations as well as outdoor situations to determine how good it handles capturing the moments. One thing I noticed is Tecno has improved its image processing. So you could be taking a shot and it may not look as good right away, But after a few seconds, you get the actual looking image after processing has been done. Here are some sample shots I've taken. Share what you think about them by leaving a comment on this video. Now let's talk about the software experience, as Tecno themselves have promised 5 years of lag-free usage, meaning they're pretty confident with the device they've made. The Tecno Spark 30 is packed with a number of interesting features I really didn't expect to find on a Spark, such as some AI features with hopefully more on the way, so that's good. It runs Android 14, iOS 14.5, and is equipped with 8GB of RAM, 128 or 256GB internal storage, as well as being powered by the Helio G91 processor. In terms of general software experience and fluidity, it's okay. You have a lot of customization features, apps open quite smoothly, and using your device for your daily task will be a breeze. If at any point you feel your device is a bit slow for you, you can always increase the virtual RAM to compensate for your extreme use cases. It also handles games quite easily, from medium to lightweight games, and you also enjoy gaming on the Tecno Spark 30. One thing I truly appreciate about Tecno right now is the desire to bring the AI experience to as many users as possible throughout all their devices. I have a review of the Phantom V Fold 2 right here, and it came packed with lots of AI features. Some of these AI features are present in the Tecno Spark 30. The onboard AI Ella has been greatly improved and packed with features such as accurate question answering, email formulation, call answering, and even reading assistance. Another AI feature present in the Tecno Spark 30 is the generative image feature, where you can simply draw a rough image in the Notes app, and the AI generates images in different styles based on what you drew. It's really impressive how good it works, and the image it generates are impressive. You could turn your rough sketch into an improved sketch, an anime sketch, or even a cartoon with different styles, and you should try that out when you purchase the Tecno Spark 30. When it comes to going all out for collaborations on smartphones, Tecno excels beyond expectation, and the Tecno Spark 30 BumbleBee Limited Edition is no exception. Everywhere I've been, this device has turned heads, and it continues to wow people when making use of the cameras. It's a device that wouldn't drill a hole in your finances, with a starting price of 2,280 Ghana cedis. And with that price, you're getting cool AI features, a 90Hz display which looks good when viewing content, as well as an impressive camera setup. It's definitely going to excel against devices in this price range. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like as well as subscribing to the channel. I'm Desi, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace!